Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a quick Hermes unboxing and follow-up discussion. So that will make more sense once I reveal what is inside this little bag here. And it is none other than the Barenia perfume. This launched recently at Hermes, I want to say 3 weeks ago. It is first perfume introduction in a while. It's in this beautiful bottle with the Collier de Chien little motif on the top. So stunning. This perfume smells so rich and beautiful. Let me share. I have one more item in here to share, and then let's get into a little perfume discussion. I also grabbed the matching bar of soap, and so I'll be putting that just in the guest bathroom. I think it's really sweet to have some sort of perfumed soap in a guest bathroom. It also helps the bathroom smell great. And so without further ado, I pulled up some of the fragrance notes for this perfume so we can kind of discuss, and then also grabbed a couple of similar items. So, okay. Some background energy, background information. The Hermes website says, free-spirited elegance, the vitality of unbridled femininity, a stirring on the skin like a sidestep. Oh my gosh, they're writing poetry. The Hermes woman is unstoppable, a woman driven by curiosity and real vitality. She is guided by her instincts. Her sidesteps are never missteps. So that is from Christine Nagel, Hermes perfumer. And okay, so from the website Fragrantica, the main accords in this perfume are woody, patchouli, warm, spicy, fruity, citrus, oud, floral, and then kind of trails off with sweet, earthy, fresh, spicy. Okay, so with that in mind, like a couple of perfumes that I have that are also sort of woody, patchouli, earthy, spicy, I thought of two things immediately. Of course, we all know and love Baccarat Rouge 540, and then the lesser known Gozo. This is a perfume that I picked up when I was in Paris earlier this year. I love it. This is a very controversial scent, and this is a very popular scent, but they have a lot in common. Okay, so before we get into the Barenia, the Baccarat Rouge, top notes of saffron and jasmine. Now jasmine's a white flower. Middle notes of amberwood, ambergris, and hedione, which is also a white flower. And then base notes of fir resin, cedar, sugar, ambroxan, and oak moss. Okay, so keep that in mind. Then the Gozo has top notes of tuberose, saffron, and bergamot. So tuberose is a white flower also. Middle notes of cedarwood, geranium, and violet leaves. So again, kind of like a sweet middle. And then base notes of patchouli, white musk, and ambroxan. So they have the ambroxan in common, they have cedar in common, they have white flower in common. Like these are like, they're cousins. They're cousins. Now the Barenia, the top note is miracle berry and bergamot. So the bergamot is the same as the Gozo. Middle notes of white ginger lily, which is a white flower, same as Baccarat Rouge and Gozo. And then the base notes are patchouli, I'm going to try akigala wood, and oak. So like oak versus cedar, but still kind of like that woody sort of scent. If I were to, let me just smell Baccarat Rouge. It's been a minute. You can see I've used a lot of this one, but it's been a minute. Oh yeah, there she is. Baccarat Rouge is, it's so familiar. So like, you really get cedary on that. You really get cedary. Whereas Gozo, some people says this smells like a Barbie's head. I don't really get that. But it's like, it's sweeter. It like draws you in. It's hypnotic. You can smell the patchouli on this. But it's like, oh, I love this scent. It's so controversial. Some people hate it, but I love this scent. It's almost like orangey to me in some ways. Maybe that's the bergamot. Okay, and then the Barenia, I think the Barenia, like the Barenia just smells expensive. That's the only, it's like a little bit more refined. It's less crazy than the Baccarat Rouge. The Baccarat Rouge, okay, now I'm gonna have to spray one on each wrist, aren't I? Okay. I know what the Gozo smells like because boy, does she pack a punch, but we're gonna do a little 540 on that wrist, let it dry down. And then a little Barenia on this wrist. Let it dry down. Okay. I mean, the white floral on the Barenia, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Baccarat Rouge is definitely sweeter and woodsier. Like you get more of the sugar. Also, Baccarat Rouge has this problem where it's like you stop smelling it yourself, but everyone else can still smell it. But as this, so it starts out super white floral, then kind of dries down into woody, and the patchouli is very light. It's not like a full patchouli bomb like the Gozo. But you really get a lot of the white floral. White floral citrus. Like it's a very harmonious, I feel like balanced perfume. It smells expensive. It smells expensive. This smells like more fun and fancy free. The 540 also smells expensive, but it's also, it's like the 540, you smell it so much everywhere, then you're like, okay, now it's go. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Yeah, it's way woodier. This I would say is more floral than the Baccarat Rouge, but not like a flower bomb, right? It's like very refined. It smells like, you know what it smells like? It smells like an expensive home when you go in and there's like fresh flowers in there, but all of like, it's like, it smells like leather bound books, rich mahogany, and fresh flowers. Truly. I mean, it is a very alluring adult perfume. I feel like this is very sexy. It's going to be great for fall. All of these perfumes are actually great fall scents. I think this is like a fun fall, like apple picking and trick-or-treating, and we're so giggly. Baccarat Rouge, you know, if you got her, wear her, love her. She is the moment and she's that girl and she knows it. But like for out to dinner or drinks or a holiday party or something where you want to be a little bit more mysterious and not wearing 540, I think this is a really great option. So hopefully you enjoyed this little unboxing and perfume review. If you like oh my gosh, can I talk? If you like perfume reviews, let me know down below. Let me know if you have any of these scents and what you think of them, if you've tried them. I'm interested to know if my takeaways are the same as yours. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.